So we start out today's video with the very popular cardboard shelf trend. So she makes the shape, goes over it with the newspaper and then the plaster. Wow, such a cool trend. I absolutely love the way that these turned out. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have someone making over an old chair. So she's putting some new fabric here on the seating and then painting the wire. Now another option could be spray painting this as well. It seems like it would be harder to use like paint. But she ends up going with like a really nice neutral color for this. Very nice. Nice simple upgrade to the chairs. And then it looks like we have some type of dishware or maybe some type of like table tray or key holder. I don't know, what would you call this? Really interesting brown color that she's using for this. Kind of gives it like an antique look a little bit. Oh, it's a jewelry holder. Okay, well you can use this for numerous different things. You could put your keys in there too. And then it looks like someone's making a side table here. They have a piece of wood and like an old paint bucket or something they're using. So she's simply just painting the bucket part and then going over the wood as well. I kind of wanted to see how that wood part would have looked with the neutral white color of the paint. That would probably look really nice. Well, she's going in with some paint splatter. Wow, really cool technique for that. So maybe I was wrong about the exposed wood. I think that this actually looks better the way she did it. This looks like it might be some type of TV stand or something maybe. Really pretty neutral color. And she added some fabric to the front piece of the door. Oh, very nice. So yeah, it's like a TV console. I wonder if she made that base too that's going there on the side. This is really good. Was that a sponge that she was using? Okay, yeah, that's definitely a sponge. So she's doing like the sponging paint technique. I think this might be another mushroom lamp. Yeah. Oh, they're using fairy lights for this one. That's pretty cool. Oh, I really like the shape she created with this one. Very nice. And I like how the top has texture because of the sponge technique she used. And the fairy lights just adds another element to it. I really like that one. So here we have someone, it looks like they're making over a lamp. They used like the wood contact paper. Looks like they're doing a lampshade here. Oh, wow, this is so cool. Very nice. So I'm not sure what this DIY is supposed to be yet. Alright, you guys, so sorry we didn't get to see what that one was, but I hope that you did enjoy today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next video.